Let me make sure my hair good. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
Shorty bad, slim, thick. She might drug, she might fix. And I'm all up in her mix. She be mixing with the wrist. She the plug, she finesse. She the one they call the girl. She don't stress, she don't trip. And she fuck with all my bros, so.
Hey YouTubers, I am back with another video. It's your girl Harris Janae. If you haven't already, please press that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell beside it so you can get notified when I upload new videos. So we're gonna just jump right into this video. As you know, if you see my previous video before, by the time you see this video, I'm not sure which video gonna be up because I do pre-upload, and sorry about the noise. I do pre-upload.
How can I say I pre-upload or I do my videos ahead of time? Whatever.
Ooh, let me fix my my dress now. I gotta look right now. Previously, I did do a video on the curl kit, which is gonna be right here or it's gonna be right here. I did a video on unboxing that, and I actually did not like the curl kit. So if you want to see the video on that, just click on the link. I did went ahead and I subscribed to the curl box. The curl box is the same thing. It's $25 a month, $20 for the box, and $5 for the shipping and handling. So here is my first curl box. Yay! So excited. I had already looked into the box and everything. If you follow me on my social media, on my Instagram, I did post a little snippet on me and my story with what was inside of my curl box. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. It is a pink box, and before it was actually black, so now it is pink. When I first open it, what I see is this right here. It shows basically what's gonna be inside this box. And then the next thing I see is this thing right here. Each month they pick a random winner, a random winner of a secret prize if you tag them using the curl box with the hashtag showing the products or styles on Instagram. So I'm of course gonna be doing that because, you know what I'm saying, this has black tissue paper, and so I open it up and I see the beloveds. Yay! I am so excited. Yo. See, the first thing that I see is the Creme of Nature Pure Honey Moisture Infusion Edge Control. You see that? You see that? Can you see it? Let me see. Is it on focus? No, yeah, no. I don't know. I don't have my glasses on, so I really hope this is very clear to y'all. So this has the edge control, and it's all of their product. I just love this smell, y'all. I really wonder if this edge control worked because my edges are so freaking thick that when I put edge control on, it just like literally curls back up, unless I'm just like manipulating it by like putting gel on top of my edge control or whatever. But moving on, because I don't want this video to be too long, and that kind of rhyme. Get it, okay. I'm gonna try to go in order. I know the edge control wasn't in order, but anyway. This is the Moisturizing Dry Defense Shampoo for dry, dehydrated hair. And again, this is the Pure Honey line, so it does have pure honey in it, rich coconut oil, and creamy shea butter as well. And it does not contain sulfates, mineral oil, and silicones. So this is actually great, y'all. And they all smell alike, and I actually love this smell. It's kind of like a perfumey smell, but I love it though. It's giving me life. Yes. Oh, okay. But anyways, getting high off of that. Now I'm gonna let y'all know it did not have any conditioner in here, and the reason why is because they did state that because they had so many products in the box, as you see, it wasn't going to be able to fit in here, so they did not put the conditioner in here. I kind of wish they did put the conditioner in here, but that's cool, it's cool. Okay, there is the Not Away Leave-In Detangler. They also have the leave-in conditioner in this spray bottle. It's like a spray. And I mean, it all depends on how you like to put your leave-in conditioner in. I don't really like spray. I would actually probably like rather just like pour it and just like rub it in my hair, whatever. We do have the hair mask, and that's what you use to put, like, this is for your deep conditioning or whatever. And I always say whatever, so just like never mind me, because like that is like my filler word. When I don't really know what else to say, I'll just say whatever. So yeah, whatever. I actually used this hair mask before. It is empty. I did use it all and it was okay. It actually did leave my hair feeling moisturized. At first I was like, I didn't really like the texture, because I'm used to actually thicker hair mask, and this is like a creamy consistency, as you can see, which is okay. So this isn't bad at all. I like the hair mask, so I'm gonna give it props. So on to the last thing, we have the Moisture Whip twisting cream. You use this for like twist outs. Use this for wash and goes as well, twist outs or anything like that. So that is basically it for this curl box, for my first curl box. And yes, $25 worth, like, I mean, like, why not? If you haven't already subscribed yet, they do open their list on some Saturdays. I think they're very limited because, like, I think it's like more of like a first come first serve. So like once it does fill up, they're not gonna open their list until like they have more available. So this is actually a good thing if you are a natural to invest in the curl box, especially if you want to try out different hair products. And you know, before I had the curl box or even the curl kit, I don't even think I should even include curl kit, but before I actually had curl box, I would go to the beauty supply stores and really not know what I wanted to use for my hair. But actually having this curl box, getting once a month this thing right here, it actually helps in determining what products actually work best for your hair, what you like and what you don't like. If you don't like some of the products in there, pretty sure you could just like give it away, or like me, I could just do a giveaway. So I'm gonna just continuously keep up with this curl box. I actually love it.
Yay to the curl box, yay to the curl box, yay to the curl box, yay, yay, nay to the curl kit, nay to the curl kit, nay to the curl kit, nay, nay.
Have any questions for me, just comment in my comment box below. I will get back to you as soon as I can. And also, have you ever tried out the curl box? If so, let me know your experience in it. What was your first curl box and how do you like it? Are you still getting the curl box? So just let me know everything down in my comment box below. And yeah, y'all have a blessed day. Toodles.